The DMK has hardened its stand. Leader of the DMK, Aragiri and son of Karunanidhi, has said they have absolutely no expectations of a patch-up. Let's go across to Vikram Gopinath, who's now joining us on the phone line with more details. Quite clearly, Vikram, I'll come back to you in just a moment with a question, but first, quickly, let's listen into what Aragiri has said.
காங்கிரஸ் இன்னும் வரும் பேசுன்னு எதிர்பார்த்தீங்களா இல்ல
தெரியாது அதை பத்தி எனக்கு நான் ஒன்றும் எதிர்பார்க்கல
உங்க கட்சியோட இது பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் பாதிக்குமா வெளியில போறது
அதனால ஒன்றும் பாதிக்காது எங்களுக்கு நாங்களே வெளியே போறோம் அப்புறம் என்ன பாதிக்கும்
சார் இப்போ நீங்க அந்த பதவியிலேருந்து வரணும்னு சொன்னீங்க
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் உங்களுக்கு சொல்றது என்ன
சரி இனிமே நீங்க ஃபுல்லா இங்கே தேர்தலுக்காக தயாரிங்க
ஆமாம் தேர்தல் பணியாற்று
Okay, that's a very sharp reaction coming in from Aragiri. Let's go across to Ramanathan, in fact, on the phone line joining us. Ram, today, just hours before, MPs of the DMK will be submitting their resignation to the Prime Minister. Aragiri, who is the son of Karunanidhi, is a very, very strong player of the DMK, hardening his posture.
Right, clearly also shows what the mood among the party workers here in the DMK is. I agree, what he spoke today can be taken as a representation somewhat of what the party workers are feeling right now. As far as they are concerned, they are not considering these developments as a negative development. They are saying that they're still strong enough to go without the Congress into the elections, and they will not take this as a setback. In fact, Aragiri was very, very cool and nonchalant today. He did not have any kind of problems, or he did not see tense in any way at all that he is going to be resigning tomorrow. We're also being told that all the leaders, all the ministers who are going to be submitting the resignation tomorrow are not at all bothered about the fact that they are resigning. They are very much understand that the prestige of the party, the prestige of the DMK comes first, and no ministry, no power can replace that prestige of the party. In fact, that is what our sources are telling within the DMK. Karunanidhi seemed to have made a statement that the prestige of the party and the prestige of the president of the party is the most, is the supreme and the most important. So clearly, such statements coming out of senior leaders of the DMK only show the mood in the DMK. Although they do say that they were not completely against an alliance with the Congress, they do believe that now that these developments have happened, they have pulled out of the UPA. It's not something which they're going to take as a setback. It is something with which they're going to work towards as hard as possible to come back to power in the upcoming polls. Back to you.
Right, thanks for that. Ramanathan there joining us on the phone line. Let's quickly once again listen into that reaction coming in from Aragiri.
நீங்க இன்னும் எதிர்பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கீங்களா காங்கிரஸ் காங்கிரஸ் இன்னும் வரும் பேசுன்னு எதிர்பார்த்தீங்களா இல்ல
தெரியாது அதை பத்தி எனக்கு நான் ஒன்றும் எதிர்பார்க்கல
உங்க கட்சியோட இது பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் பாதிக்குமா வெளியில போறது
அதனால ஒன்றும் பாதிக்காது எங்களுக்கு நாங்களே வெளியே போறோம் அப்புறம் என்ன பாதிக்கும்
சார் இப்போ நீங்க அந்த பதவியிலேருந்து வரணும்னு சொன்னீங்க
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் உங்களுக்கு சொல்றது என்ன
சரி இனிமே நீங்க ஃபுல்லா இங்கே தேர்தலுக்காக தயாரிங்க
ஆமாம் தேர்தல் பணியாற்று